Hello everybody, it's Wendy and I am here today with Jesse James Beads for the unboxing of the Magical Mystery Bead Box for May 2022. But first of all, our encouraging word for today is by Walt Disney, and it is: the way to get started is to quit talking and begin doing. And I figured that was appropriate since now I'm living in Disneyland. All right, so Magical Mystery Bead Box for the month of May. So when you open this up, the first thing we see is a mermaid, and it says Treasure Trove, May 2022. Journey to the depths of the deep blue sea with sparkly treasure from Jesse James Beads. That sounds very intriguing. And it tells us everything that's inside here. So I'm going to set this aside and look at it as I unbox this. So the first thing that I see that is absolutely gorgeous is a strand of Seashell Heishi beads. So look at these. They are a very, very, very light pink, and they're just beautiful. You all know I like anything shell, so I'm really happy with these. Yeah, those are so pretty. They have some hints of salmon in them. They're just beautiful. All right, so next we have Ocean Floor Natural Stone Geode Pendant. Let me find that. I'm seeing, oh my goodness, there is some beautiful stuff in here, you guys. I'm seeing some really pretty bead strands. Okay, here this is. The Ocean Floor Natural Gemstone Geode, Natural Stone Geode Pendant. Okay, let me get this open. Wow, this is beautiful. This looks like agate to me. Look at that. That is fantastic. I mean, gorgeous. Wow. Beautiful, beautiful. It's electroplated in gold. Absolutely stunning. Okay. Then we have bead strand in sandy shores, and that has to be this. And look at this bead strand. Oh my goodness, you guys. Okay, so we have beautiful bicones and bead caps. Look at this wire wrapped pearl. We have a caged bead, and then we have a mixture of shell and pearl and glitter. And then look at this. Oh my goodness, it's a huge, like a resin bead with seashells inside. I am so amazed really right now. These are absolutely gorgeous, these beads. I cannot wait to use this. Look at that. Wow. I mean, beautiful. So that is the Ocean Floor. No, that's the bead strand in sandy shores. Then we have the bead strand in tide pool. That's this. And again, with the sparkle. Look at this. Rhinestone, large hole beads, rhinestone rondelles, and these crystals. I love these colors. They're capri blue and... oh, look at that sparkle. Wow, this is gorgeous. That looks so pretty with that pendant. It all looks really pretty together. Look at this all together. All right, and then we have enamel chain in white. That's right here. Oh, this is pretty too. Wow. Gorgeous, gorgeous chain. There that is. It's a glossy, sparkly, or not sparkly, but glossy finish enamel. It's just beautiful. Look how it looks with all of this. I cannot wait to figure out how to put all this together. Okay, then we have bead mix in Under the Sea. That's this one. Now let me scoot these to the side so we can open these bead mixes. Under the Sea. Look how pretty. Okay, so we have, oh, these are beads. I thought they were charms. These are little beads. Look how cute. Lime green, and we've got some lime green rondelles in here matching. So, so cute. We have some green painted beads. Glass painted beads. These little roses are so cute. Look at this. Huh. Oh, these are pretty. These are table cut glass, just beautiful. We've got some really cool antique bronze metal drops. a mermaid charm. And look at this. This is really pretty. It's kind of like a little opal. Oh, there's two of them. Two little opal drops or charms. Beautiful. Wow. And then a bunch of other, here's a couple little turtles. This is gorgeous. Love this bead mix right here. So this is Under the Sea. Let me grab some of my little trays. Oh, look at this bead. Wow. So sparkly. Okay. And I still have paint under my nails, guys. I'm so sorry, but I've been working in my garden and painting ceramic mushrooms and stepping stones and various other things like that, and it's just wreaking havoc on my nails. Okay. Then we have Bead Mix and Treasure Trove. That's this one. Wow. All right, so look first at the starfish. Oh my goodness, he's so cute. And then look at these. These are like cage bead locket sort of things. You can put essential oils on lava beads and use them in there. There's all kinds of things. But look how cute, these little turtles. Wow. And these are gorgeous. Oh, those are so pretty. Look at those. Wow. So pretty. Okay, let's see what else we've got here. We have some metallics. We have rhinestone rondelle spacers, which I love. We have some sea glass, or faux sea glass. Beautiful. Look at that. Love that. We have some more of these ceramic painted beads. Whoops. We have some filigree metals. We have just some crystals, some table cut here. And these are called potato chip beads. So cute. All right, and look at the sparkle. Wow, these are gorgeous. Absolutely beautiful. So this is just stunning. Treasure Trove. You can see why it's called that. Beautiful, beautiful bead mix. Get all those out of the way. And then we have bead mix in seashells. That's these. Again, just gorgeous. Look at these. Metallic. I cannot think of what these are called, but I do know what they're called. But yeah, I can't think of them. They're not conch shells. Beautiful though. Look how pretty. And these are shell, of course. Wow. And we've got some little coin freshwater pearls. Beautiful. We have a couple of metallic beads, some little charms, and a bunch of flat coin-shaped shell. Wow. So that is the seashell mix. I can't decide what I like best out of this box. It's so gorgeous. And then we have a beachside ceramic focal, which this is a shell, a ceramic shell. Large focal piece. Look how pretty. Wow. Absolutely gorgeous. So, wow, guys, this is the Magical Mystery Bead Box for May 2022, and I have got to say, this is probably one of my favorite ones that they have ever done. This is just absolutely stunning. It says the contents may vary. There's a summer sale going on. You get a free bead mix with your 79 or more cart. Add mix to the cart and use code MERMAIDS at checkout to redeem. So very nice. But wow, here it is, Magical Mystery Bead Box for May 2022, and I have to say, it's going to be fun to work out of this box because the beauty is just, it's stunning. So if you guys are interested in subscribing to Magical Mystery Bead Box, I will have a link in the description box below, and it is an affiliate link, so if you choose to use it, I do get paid a small commission, but it doesn't cost you any more to use it. So if you are kind enough to do that, I sure appreciate it. And yeah, I will be back with a tutorial, or probably several, with this box. It's just beautiful. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.